Explore a world of options on your TrueTouch display using the high-performance X10D Android mini computer. Download any app from the built-in Google Play Store. Add video players, streaming services, or video conferencing apps to collaborate better than ever before. With easy access to over 1 million apps, the X10D gives your TrueTouch a boost by giving you more tools with no limits. Just use your finger to control the screen. A floating control pad stays in view for easy navigation around the X10D. Easily move the control pad where you need it to go. Completely customize the user interface to quickly find the right app you need. Choose up to 11 of your favorite and most important apps to display on the home screen. Bring the power of the X10D into your office or classroom.